The following is a sponsored segment from the Higgins Firm.
It is 7:51. Hundreds of people filing lawsuits after a popular dialysis drug, GranuFlo, is believed to be behind several heart attacks in patients. Jim Higgins now joining us with the Higgins Law Firm. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
The problem here is that the company knew the risk but failed to warn doctors.
Yes, that is what puts this kind of case in a whole nother level, I think, to lawyers, to our clients, to people who will be sitting on these juries. But what it is there are about 500,000 people in this country that are on dialysis, and almost, I think, 6,000 clinics. And when you're on dialysis, you need certain things in your blood, and one of them is a bicarbonate. And there's a company that owns about a third of these clinics, and they manufacture this drug, GranuFlo, to put in when somebody's on dialysis. Well, there was a memo that they sent out a couple of years ago just to their clinics that warned that this potential product could increase heart attacks chances up to, the FDA says, and other experts have said, up to 6 times.
Goodness.
And what's hard to swallow about this is they only sent it to their clinics. This company sells this product to all these dialysis clinics, but they only sent it to theirs, and their companies only had this warning, and they continue to sell, and they continue to do so to these other companies without warning them. And recently there's been several hundred lawsuits filed. A man and a widow in Alabama just filed one the other day for her husband, who was in one of these clinics, was having dialysis, which gives them their life back when they have these kidney problems. And he had a heart attack and passed away, and they had no idea that this warning was out there.
And you're working on one here locally,
yes,
right?
We're reviewing one right now. We're getting the records together. You know, a lot of times these topics coincide with what we're examining in our office. But yes, and they're looking at right now at putting all the cases together. But it's a hard thing to sit down with the family and talk about what they went through.
Absolutely. Well, if you have any questions, if you're going through anything like this, you can certainly contact Jim or any of the other attorneys over there at the Higgins Firm, number 615-353-0930, or you can contact Jim personally through email, jim@higginsfirm.com. Thanks so much. Good to see you.
Thank you, Dave. Good to see you.